So me and my sister are going to be playing this clicky keyboard escape game.
It's kind of like the one we played on the other videos, but it's not. It's a new one. So you see, like we are not at the same level that we are. Oh God, this guy's really good.
Easy. He's really good.
Yeah, look at him.
What was that?
You turn that thing all the way.
Speed. Guys, as you can see, I've gotten on my main account.
What are you at? I'm at 1.3K.
Alright, come on, let's go.
Wait a minute.
I'm going out to get brain rocks.
Going. Wait for me.
Oh, you have to do obbies. Okay. Okay, so yeah, you have to do obbies.
No, okay.
How do you turn off this dinging noise? I don't like that.
Oh God, no, I died. Let me come back. Wales, no.
Just go this way, the harder way.
By the way, I don't have money. Only have 50 cash.
$50.
Yeah. You have $50?
Yeah, I'm going out. How do I know when to make that?
Wait, what kind of out do you mean?
Bro, I'm gonna crash.
Okay, yay. Okay, yay, I'm doing good so far. Yay, I'm not done.
I can't make it. I don't know why, but I can't make it.
I don't know why I can't make it either. I have 2/7K.
I should be able to make it. What?
I'm level 13.
I have 2.6K. I should be able to make it.
I have 2.7K.
Me too, but I still should be able to make it.
I have 3.2K.
Guys, also we're doing another satisfying video.
It's gonna be like ASMR.
Barely made that. I can't. You made that? How much speed you have?
3/2.
Alright, that means I can make it too, because I have the exact amount. Just gotta jump. What? You're a cheater.
3/3 now.
Yeah, alright, you're cheating.
No, now you try to get close to the edge, then jump. See, look. Close to the edge.
No, it's just that specific spot I can't make it. I'm just gonna get money and leave.
What?
So I'm just gonna get a brain rot from there and then leave. Because it's too hard. Can't do it. Alright, I have 2.8K. I should be able to make it. I'm waiting to like the exact edge. What? You made it?
Mm-hmm.
No, you didn't.
But then I died.
I made nothing.
I made it, then I died.
I'm just gonna stop being greedy. Dang.
Don't be greedy for once.
Bro, I'm just gonna wait until I have at least 10K to go.
I have 4K.
Me too.
I have 4/6K. 4/7K. Oh,
Okay.
I almost died on that.
I'm level 15. Okay, I'm level 16. Okay, 45. Alright. I'm gonna grab this.
Okay, I'm going. I'm waiting for you. Time to jump. Aiden, how much speed you got?
Can't see because I'm holding the brain rock. I have 4.8K.
Oh, me too. 4.9. I have 4.9. How much do you have?
Still 4.8.
4/6. Oh yeah, I'm not making that jump.
Okay, I got 5.5K.
I have 4.5. Aiden, no.
Okay.
I'm spending Robux.
Okay, fine. Ooh, join the community. You can claim something.
Ooh. Oh, I
think it gives you something that gives $70. It gives you a gangster foot. It gives you a gangster.
I'm already in the group for some reason.
It gives you a gangster foot.
And I'm already in the group for some reason.
It gives you a gangster
Have I
foot.
played this game before? Because I'm already in the group.
I don't know. I got a gangster foot though. Oh, I'm making bands. Oh, I'm making.
And you better have 5 VIP.
I got 10. Let's get 10K. Bruh, I can't even buy nothing. Can't even. I can't even buy.
Aiden!
I can't even buy.
Aiden!
What? Check out what's in the shop. Play. You do you.
I'm like a cowboy. You want to be a YouTuber, gamer, or cowboy?
YouTube.
I would be a gamer. I can't see very well. I died because I couldn't see very well.
Bruh.
I can't see very well.
Me either.
With the brain, I can't see very well.
Nevaeh, I know why we can't make it.
Why? Where's my block?
Have you even gotten a brain or not?
No.
I got 2 because I joined the community.
How much speed you got?
No,
What? Where'd my speed go? I can't see my speed.
yeah, that's what happened to me. Jump, bro. Come, bro. Go.
Jump. Hello.
Nice. Bye.
Jump. I can't see very well.
I died.
I can't see too well. I can't see too well. Look, I actually cannot see too well.
Bruh.
Okay.
Alright, let me do a hack to see which one's good. Alright. It has to be. Okay, I know which one it is now.
Oh, wait, I know.
But when you get, it's this one. It's that one.
I know what hack it is, bro.
What? Oh, I think I did it wrong. No, I think I did it wrong. So no, it's not the one that I said. It's the other one because I know it's not the middle one because I did the middle. It didn't work. Boom. That's why we haven't. That's why we haven't been able to make it.
Aiden,
What?
how much money you got?
Not a lot.
I got 32.
I have $32.
Best planet.
Bruh.
Which one is it on this one? Which one is it on this one?
Middle and then that one.
This one? This one?
Yep.
Okay, here I go.
Go. Good job.
Stop!
How'd you die?
Stop!
Bruh. There's no way. Ow, I died. Bro, the jump button's like so hard.
How is it hard? Middle, jump. This one, jump. Oh wow, I made it to the very.
Go, 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 go.
So you need level 4. Bro, it's gonna be easy. It says you need level 4, and I'm past level 4. It said I'm unable to join the group.
Bruh. My thing's like at 5%. W. Nevaeh, she gave me her charger.
Ow. No, I failed.
I can play. Now we can play the game.
Okay.
Oh, it says it even says one of the three on the side is good. Is safe. What was that? Ow, you hit me.
I didn't hit you. You guys get a little closer.
What?
Aiden, you guys get a little closer to Peanut.
There's no way, bro.
Aiden, you guys get a little closer to Peanut.
There. Says we need level 4. I think that's cap. There's no way you need level 5 for this. That's so freaking cap.
Wait, past level 4?
Yeah. I have brain rot, remember? What? Alright, this game's cheap. I'm done with this game, bro. Cause how is the tongue getting me? It says you need at least level 5. I'm way past level 5.
I know how to skip the one where
I'm level 110.
I'm level 19/6. Okay.
It says you need level 6. I'm level 101. I'm level 111.
111.
Bro, and I still won't be able to make it. I don't understand.
We haven't been doing videos that much, guys. So
Like, what happened to my speed?
please like our other videos.
Alright, I'm gonna book it. If I can't make this game's not real. This game's not real. This game's so not real. This game's not real, bro. Wait, how much speed do you have?
Oh god, I can't see my speed because I dropped.
Tell me when you make it. Tell me what speed you have when you can see it.
Ow!
25.6K.
25.6K.
Yes!
25.6K. Aiden, 25.6K. Am I not real or something? Cause why are you speechless?
No. What? How much speed do you have?
What?
How much speed do you have?
25.9K.
I have 13 million.
Okay.
14 million.
Wait. What I was saying.
15 million.
70 million. 80 million. 90 million.
I did not spend any Robux, bruh. They do not watch the video, okay?
Aiden, boy, I told you not to spend anything.
I didn't spend anything. You know how I got so good?
No, because you spent Robux.
No, do you want to actually know how?
I know you did.
Alright, I'm not telling you the secret then.
Then what?
You want me to tell?
Yeah.
It's because, bro, because I got brain rot and then I upgraded my speed per second, my speed every time I step, and then yeah, since I upgraded it so much, because even though my brain rots are trash, yeah, so I just upgraded.
Aiden, can you make it past level 4 with 30.9K?
I don't know, bro. How do you think I know?
Because you passed it.
I have 19 million speed.
No, because you passed it with.
I passed. No, I didn't. When I got this speed, I didn't even have K. I just got millions.
What?
Told you, bro. The speed per second, bro. It's fire. That's not real.
It
says you need low. It says you need these specific levels.
says you need level 2, level 4, level 7.
I'm level 123 and I barely can make it past. And I I basically can't make it past level 6.
I can't even make it past level 4.
Like, bro, the
I
tongue
didn't
is
touch
not
it!
real.
It says I touched it, but I didn't touch it. I'm trying to get to the epic area. Mythic, I mean.
Okay, I made it.
I made it to the mythic. Okay, good. I made it to the mythic. After that secret, then God.
How?
What?
I mean, like, how? My name. My hand.
Wait till that camera
Alright,
falls
guys,
over your
that's the
head.
end of the video. Hope you enjoyed. See you another time. Bye.
Bye, guys.